What's monkey style? Monkey style. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Monkey. This is Joe for Joey's Super Cool. Food reviews going to monkey style. Peace. I'm Joey from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews, and I need the quadruple down draw. Huh? What? What's going on? Joey's here. He needs the quadruple down. What can we do? And they go, hook it up for Joey, because he's Joey's Super Cool. Pretty cool. Sorry, gang. I didn't do it. It's too thick. I need it. Twinkies! Twinkies! I love Twinkies. Twinkies! I love Twinkies. Oh, my love, my darling, I hunger for your touch. Twinkie! Hey, everyone, it's Joe from Joey's Super Cool Food Reviews. I'm back. I'm doing Long John Silver's Big Catch. Look at this, gang. So this is let me show you the bag. This is the bag. And look at this big box it comes in. I like the box. I might save it and put my trinkets and stuff in it. You know when you get trinkets. Happy 4th of July to everyone. I want to thank George Washington for leading our troops in the African continent and in Europe, I think. I don't know, it was somewhere. Or was it here? That Pilgrims? Or I'm thinking of Thanksgiving. Anyways, I don't know. Anyways, I read it in a book once.